everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today there is no way we're going to be learning about bicycle helmets or my bike right over there. But today, as you can see here, you can see here, this is just a little drawing. Do you think we're going to learn how to draw this? If you do, then you are wrong. You better look at the title of this video. So, we're not going to be learning to draw, we're not going to be learning to color, we're not going to learn about my helmet, we're not going to learn about how to ride a bike on training wheels. So, we are going to be learning how to answer these two questions. How clouds are formed and why rain comes down in drops. So this is going to be a story, and the title of this story is The Hot Day with a Lot of Rain. So, The Hot Day with a Lot of Rain by Live Zone 18. So it was one very hot day when my invisible ducky friends, or one ducky friend, two ducky friends were swimming that are invisible were swimming in this pond. And then I was swimming with them too, and I was invisible too. Then when the sun was very, very hot, it was getting very hot in the pond. When we wanted to swim from this side to the other side, when we just touched the water a little bit, they were like, this is hot, we better get out of here. So I sat here in this tree, sitting right over here where there are no branches. I didn't know that there were no branches, so I just fell down and I poked myself with one of these branches. Since I fell on one of them, I fell right over here. So I didn't poke myself. Then my two ducky friends named Sunny and Jeannie were sitting right over here too. So they fell right on my head when they fell. So they didn't hurt themselves or anything. So Rainy loved the rain and Sunny loved the sun. So Sunny was like, why can't we swim in that pond again? Rainy said, because it is too hot, you little cheeky Sunny. So Sunny said, but I love hot, I love the sun. That's why my name is Sunny. Now I'm going to swim in that pond. Okay. You were right. The pond water is little too. So Sunny sat right over here again, and then she fell on Jeannie's head. Mrs. Sunny, said Jeannie, you are not allowed to fall on my beautiful kitty-eared headband. Do you know how expensive this was? This was $1 trillion. And then I said, seriously, Rainy? That was $1 from Dollar Tree. So Rainy said, no, it wasn't. I'm just tricking Sunny. And then Sunny said, Rainy. And then Rainy said, what? And then Sunny said, you are trying to trick me. So Rainy said, oops, I wasn't trying to trick you. I was just kidding. And then Sunny said, everybody knows that smile. So then Rainy said, okay, I was trying to trick you. So, the reason why the pond was getting very hot is because it was going to rain. So, Rainy would be happy. So when the sunlight was on heated, when the sunlight heated the pond, then it turned into gas. So since gas is very light, it floated up and up and up and up. So there's kind of like a limit to where it gets colder to make a cloud. So when the gas touched that limit, let's just say it's right over here. The limit is right over there. That's where it gets colder, and under that, it's all the regular sunny hot weather. Then that turned the bit of gas back into a water droplet. So when there were a lot of water droplets, that formed the cloud. Then this part is why this next part is answering the question why rain comes down in drops. So it's kind of like a bag. It's kind of like someone hang up their purse that could hold water droplets. And that person who hung it up did not know that there was a limit of how many water droplets it could hold and how sunny the weather had to be if the person who owned it didn't want it to rip. So that person didn't know about that. So he just hung it up, or it's going to be a she. She just hung it up, and then there were a lot of water droplets coming into that, and there had a lot of hot sun reflecting on the cloud. And then this thing called rain. Rain is a thing that rains a lot, that makes a lot of little drops fall out of clouds. So you should not know what rain is. Alright, I'm just kidding. And you should know what rain is, but if you don't know what rain is, I explained to you what rain is anyways. So now you should know what rain is. If you don't know what rain is. So rain started. So it started to rain. So Rainy was like, yay! Finally! Sorry, Sunny, there is no sun anymore. It's going to rain. Yay! Now I can swim in the pond. Na, 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 na. And then she swam in circles in the pond when she got to the pond, and then she was jumping all around, and she went to catch fish for food and stuff. The end. Thank you for watching, and now you may tell your parents that you watched the video when I told you the answers of these questions. Why rain comes down in drops and how clouds are formed. And the reason why I made this video is because one of my family members, or my grandfather, wanted me to give him the answer of how clouds are formed and why rain comes down in drops. Oh, and the reason why rain comes down in drops is because, the cloud is made out of drops, so it should be raining drops. Now it's the end. Bye! Thanks for watching!